Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have, of course, a new version of Google Chrome. Version Chrome 144 has now been released, and of course, this is the first big new version of the browser of 2026. It also contains the weekly security flaws that are fixed. So the security updates fix 10 security flaws. Several of them are high severity. So all you have to do is go to your Chrome browser, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, help, about Google Chrome, and here you'll be pushed to version 144.0.7559.6 or 0 or 6.1, depending on what version you have of the operating system. It does not have a lot of front-facing features. It improves upon certain things like the PDF viewing, and PDF can be downloaded now and recorded in the Google Drive directly. There's a improvement into the reading, especially when you actually ask for the immersive reader, and also in how it will read out loud the web pages. Things like that. So tweaks here and there about, new things, but overall the browser itself still continues to update, having a little more of Gemini and of AI in it and so on. So this is the browser. If you don't care about features, at least you might care about the security flaws that are fixed, 10, and several of them are high severity. So do check it out and do update your browser for that reason. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.